Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be opening up my BoxyCharm box for the month of September. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So for this month's box, the theme is Wildflower. Y'all might be wondering what's on my lips, and the product that I'm wearing on my lips is actually one of the products that came in my box. And this was the Lorac Pro in the color Aubergine. I think that's how you say it, not for short. But you just pull off the lid and you can twist it up, and this is the color. I'll try to insert a clip of me doing my makeup with some items that I received in my box. I don't want to open up the blush and I don't want to open up the primer. Just because I've got a lot of blushes right now that I don't even know what to do with, quite honestly. I've got quite a bit of blush to last me for a while, so I don't want to open up a product and swatch it, ruin it, and then it expire within a matter of months. So I don't know, I'm just not going to use those products, so forgive me for not having it on my face to show y'all. But I'm sure there's several videos that y'all can go and watch just to see what the sheen looks like. Although it kind of is super helpful to find, girls that are, brown, because not all products look the same on skin tones. But anyways, that Lorac lip color is a Pro Matte. Let me see. And it retails for $19. So the box itself is $21. So that's almost the price of the box itself. So it's paying for itself. The next product that we've got is on my eyes, and I wonder if y'all could be able to see it. Let me see. I don't know. Can y'all see it? I also have the video on that, like I said. So I did a makeup look with some of the items that I did receive in my box, and this is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette. Super cute, but I honestly wish it would have opened up this way as opposed to this way. Me personally, it just kind of bugs me a bit. And then I don't know why, but having all this empty space also bothers me. I don't know what's up with that. It really just, I don't know what it is about it. I'm just kind of ugh. But some of the colors are so super pretty. They're cool tone. However, I mean, they're stunning colors, but personally, I don't use colors like this. I like warm tones, and I still made a makeup look with it. However, it's not my favorite. These are colors that I see myself using quite often. I mean, but for the most part, the mirror is quite large. It's about this big, this wide. So that's the second item that I received in my box. And let's see how much that one retails for. That one retails for $35. So once again, the box is paying for itself just for that palette alone. Okay, I changed the angle somewhat because I think it's going to look better right here than it was here. yes, I am filming in my hallway. Because in the restroom, I feel like the light comes off orange. Not that this lighting is any better, but I don't know, maybe a little bit. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighton. This is that it's not a sample size. Oh, and these are all full-size products, so yeah, this is the one that I said I'm not going to swatch. I mean, it's super pretty, but I honestly don't want to dip my fingers into it and then it go to waste within a matter of months. 18 months for it to expire, but still, I don't want to be wasting product, you know? Tropic Hues. Let's see how much that one retails for. Alright, that Laura Geller blush retails for $28. So once again, box pays for itself. Super pretty. I'm not very much into shimmers, but you know what? In the later future, I might give it a try. However, it wasn't in packaging, so I didn't have to unwrap it, so I don't know how I feel about that. Like, you know? You know. Alright, the next ones that we got are these Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos Brush Set. So super cute. Let me put this down. Can you cooperate? Alright, so this is the 3 brushes that come in our bag, or in our box, I'm sorry, my bad. Alamar Cosmetics, and I used them also in the video that I did my makeup. So like I said, I'm going to try to put the video, insert it somewhere in here. I dropped it in the thingy. Okay, so this Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos Brush Set retails for $18. There's a hair in my mouth. For $18, so pretty close to $21. Once again, I think this pays for itself as well. Moving on to the next product. Okay, this product kind of, I don't know, it had me thinking a couple of things. To me, it honestly doesn't look like it's a full-size product, but I mean, whatever, I guess. It says it's in the color nude. Excuse my nails, they're pretty gross. Look how tiny this is. Like, if anybody knows if this is a full size, please comment down below, which I doubt anybody will because I rarely ever get comments on my videos. However, I'm still here showing y'all the stuff that I get. But this one is Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. I did not use this either because I don't want to waste product. I'm not very much of a primer person, but I'll keep it here just in case. One day I maybe might use it. That one retails for $14. So, yeah. I mean, is that a full-size product? I don't know. I honestly don't think it is, but I could be wrong. But these are the other colors that I could have gotten in the Lorac Pro matte lip set or whatever. Not the set, never mind. It's not a set. Just disregard that. So yes, that is my box for the month of September 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, comment down below, let me know. And if you have any other suggestions, also let me know. But I hope y'all have a good night, and until next time, bye.